Hello from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. We're excited to announce that we have something we haven't had in quite some time, inventory. We keep one of every model here for you to test drive, and now you might just be able to drive one home the same day. Sportage, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Niro, EV6, Forte. Even the 2024 Telluride is here and ready for a test drive. The best way for you to get your new Kia is to visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive with one of our product specialists. Pick a day and time that works best for you, and then we'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for your arrival. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Hello everyone, I'm Howard with Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. Endeavor confidently in the ruggedly intelligent 2023 Kia Sorento. This month, lease a 2023 Sorento X-Line S for $379 per month for 36 months with money down. Reasons to choose the 2023 Sorento include available all-wheel drive, standard Kia DriveWise safety technologies, and Kia's brand-wide industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Stop in or give us a call to learn more about the 2023 Kia Sorento.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.